You know what? Bear with me. I had it just here. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, great. Is Richard around? Richard Williams, the find a name fast approach. Hi guys, my name's Deepak Shukla, founder at Pearl Lemon Sales. We're a sales training and development agency based in the UK as well as the USA and serving clients worldwide. And here today in day number 113 of 119 days of cold calling training, we're here to talk about the find a name fast approach. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link in the description below to get access to 17 additional strategies that are not shared in this training. So fundamentally, this is quite a powerful approach that I don't see people using as effectively as they could. And fundamentally, what it is that you will have companies that have first name policies or name only policies when it comes to talking to someone. And if you're talking to a company where you know that that's going to be the challenge, then you need to quickly find a name. So what I tend to do is, for example, let's just say I'm calling a solicitors. And I'll be like, hey, good morning, how are you? Yeah, amazing. Hey, good morning, how are you? Is this Sherwood Solicitors? Ah, amazing. Well, first of all, how's your morning going so far? Fantastic, fantastic. Yeah, no, my morning's good, thank you. My morning's good, thank you. So yeah, I was looking to speak to. Bear with me. That's quite incredible, isn't it? I can't find the where's the name? So guys, as you can see here, I'm actually struggling to find the solicitor's LinkedIn page. Um, but I would ordinarily jump onto here and then, here we go. I found it. Oh, amazing. Yeah, brilliant. Okay. Okay. So there's no, let's try it with somebody else. Oh, good morning. Amazing. Is this Bert Brew and Cardens? Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yeah. These don't have a. Good morning. Yeah, no, amazing. I was looking to talk to. Um, I was looking to speak to. Bear with me. I just had it here. Oh, amazing. Alex, is Alex Williams in? So, guys, that was a very bad rendition of what you could do when you're on a call in the midst of ultimately making small talk. So there's a little bit of parallel processing that's happening here because you'll need to fundamentally find the relevant person that you're after whilst you're on the call. And you need to go to about pages, about us, meet the team type of pages. Sometimes LinkedIn is quite powerful for it, where where they do have a LinkedIn and you can find it, and then you'll get a good inkling of ultimately a name that you can drop into the conversation. So if it's, for example, the Pearl Lemon Group, so if you're like, oh, good morning, hi there, could I, first of all, how are you? Yeah, amazing, brilliant, brilliant, perfect. Yeah, so it's Richard here. I'm calling from a company called. What's interesting about there we go. You can't see it, it's out of the screen. Amazing, amazing. Could I talk to and in here you'd want to find, for example, this is admin tools, view as member. So this is how the page would come up publicly. Amazing. Could I talk to people? Could I view decision? So I don't have Sales Navigator, but as you can see here, you begin to find some of the relevant people. Show more. Yeah, you begin to find some of the relevant people, but not all of them. There you have it, guys. This is a good route that you can pursue when ultimately you need to find a name fast. Okay. Now, what sometimes tends to happen is some companies have a switchboard with a name only policy, and it will be find fundamentally, and we'll go on and talk about this a little bit separately actually, but just to have that in your mind that when you're calling a business that and let's go again, when you're calling a business, then just see what you can do to quickly find a relevant name. So if we're calling, let's just marketing agency Sales agency London. I wonder where we rank for that, actually, to be honest with you. Ah, amazing. Is this We Are Aspire? Ah, amazing, amazing, perfect, fantastic. So yeah, I was looking to speak to uh bear with see, so their link is not clickable. Our team. This is turning into a little bit of the disaster because nothing, as far as I can tell, appears to be clickable, which is strange. Give me a second, guys. Ah, okay. So now there was a cookie. So now I would have jumped over to here. None of it is, it's still not working, so I don't know. But anyway, guys, I think you fundamentally understand what I'm trying to do here. I've waffled a little bit, but do what you can to find a name fast. Typically, when we make calls, we have a LinkedIn profile to begin with, or I'd be using, both my hands and the laptop, and I'd find a name quite quickly, and that would be your in when it's a name-only policy, much like we did in the example of that one law firm. So there you have it, the find a name fast approach. When you need to get past the gatekeeper, Google madly, go to meet the team page or an about us page or a LinkedIn page, and they get, so meet the team, about us, LinkedIn. Between those three, you should be able to quickly find a name fast.
Remember, we've got 17 gated strategies just waiting for you. All you need to do is bing, subscribe, as well as click the link in the description below to get access to those 17. Get some.